When your friend says, "I hate Naruto." When you forget to reschedule your meeting for next week. Naruto, Sasuke. Naruto, Sasuke. Naruto, Sasuke. Okay, whatever, I'm too old for this, same. It's so nice seeing Team 7 all grown up. When they ask how you read subtitles so fast. When you're trying to get your anime collection organized, but you have no idea where to start. No, please, someone help me. Hey, bro. Eat a Snickers, you become the Ninetales when you're hungry. Sorry bro, it's okay bro. Itachi murders the Uchiha clan. Danzo, it's free real estate?